Assalamualaikum. This is my first tutorial. Introduction here. DIU student, name SaJaL. Then today I am going to show you that how can I install Netbean on linuxmint OS. It's very simple, don't worry. Okay, let's try. First go to this link. You can see that this link is below my video. Then copy this and paste my browser, and open this page. Now first download the JDK file. This is JDK page is open, and then accept this license agency and you choose your version, Mac, Windows. Now I am download this version Linux 664 version 8.0.2 and the JDK. Just click it and download here, but I already downloaded, so go to my download folder and see that is JDK file. Now copy this and paste it here. This is my JDK file. Now open a terminal and okay, let's follow my tutorial. First of all, open terminal and write some command cd Destop and enter, and check ls. I see that my JDK file is here, JDK 7u80 blah blah, and install here. So comment this is mod plus x and name JDK. Just copy this and paste it here, then enter. Now write space dot slash next file name, then enter, hit enter, and open this, and then normally install here, because this problem is occur because already down installed my Netbean. So hope you can easily install. So thank you everyone.